Okay, I finally finished my project and I'm going to just kind of walk through how I designed it. Um, I used, again, the paper collection from Photoplay called Paper Crane. I also used some stamps, some dies, ephemera or uh, die cuts from the collection, chipboard, and a few other elements. So the front, I just matted this sentiment on cardstock, and then I also popped it up with some chipboard. My lace, this lace you can get at Country Craft Creations. It's elastic, and that's my closure for my journal. And then the spine here, I have the Hanji uh, characters paper that I use for my spine, and then this is a chipboard element that actually holds my closure together. And then this is the back of of, uh, of the journal. And then when you open it up, the inside, I have this little pocket that I have open on one whole corner, and this is a 3x4 cut apart. I also matted it on cardstock, and I added this cute little tab says smile. And then this is also one of the stamps. I colored this little geisha girl and then put her on the pocket. And then the pocket has a couple of 3x4 cut aparts and a little tag with the little geisha. And then, of course, this side, if you've watched the tutorial, holds my iPad mini. I also provided instructions on how to make this large enough for a Kindle Fire. And then this is the paper I used for the back of that. And then the booklet I created. And then with the booklet out, I added a couple more die cuts and another little geisha that I colored with Copics. And it says, "Best friends are the best." And that is pretty much it. And you just slide your journal in here, iPad in the side, and then your little elastic closure holds it closed. And of course, my trusty pen, because I'm going to be taking notes when I go to Japan and visit. I hope you enjoyed this journal. Please leave comments for me, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Have a great day.